Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another exciting day because we'll be having a tutorial. So I'm excited about today's tutorial because this came as a question on Instagram and I decided to do a video, okay? So the person that asked this question, I'm answering your question with this video. So you asked how to create a free landing page, what tools to use to get a free landing page or a free sales page for your business, to market your products and services. And here your video is. So I'll be teaching you how to do this step by step in this tutorial, how to create a landing page, a website, or even a sales page. All right, how to create and design it from scratch using Canva. All right. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload educative videos like this, and support my channel. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. Please support my channel. That's one way to support me as I make these videos to educate you. So I promise that this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'll take you through the entire process, so you might not need to ask any questions by the time you're done with this video. So if you watch this video till the end, you'll definitely get your answers and you know what to do as you go along the way. All right. And feel free to leave questions in the comment section. I'm here to answer your questions. Okay. All right. So let's get right into today's video. So now we are on Canva, and I want to show you something. The first thing you should observe when you're on Canva and you want to create a website or a landing page or even a sales page, all right, the first thing you should take note of is this dashboard right here. All right, you see, they say, what will you design today? So this place, when you see here, you see whiteboard presentation, so many things are here, but one I want you to pay attention to this, which is websites. All right, so with this you click, when you click here you get access to a lot of website templates. I've clicked there now and I'm scrolling down. You can see all these are different templates of websites. All right, so you can have the one for business, portfolio, events. So if you don't want to design from scratch, you just want to edit and go, you can choose any of these templates to work with. All right, but today I promise that we're going to be designing from scratch, so that's what today's video is all about. All right, so if you want to design from scratch, you just have to ignore this part and go straight to here. So you click on create a design and you type website. Okay, you can see that's website, and you click on it. When you click on website, you can see now I have an empty template. It's so empty, I have to design from scratch. Okay, so now that I have an empty template and I promised you a design from scratch, so let's get started. So first of all, we need to know which um, business we're designing for. So let's say we're creating a landing page for beauty products. Okay, let's say makeup products for a beauty brand. All right, first of all, we need to name our website. Okay, so you come here and name your website. So if it's a sales page for the particular product, or a website for the entire product, you have to put that in mind when giving your website a name. Okay, so but here we're going to focus on a sales page. Okay, we're going to focus on a sales page. Okay, landing page, sales page, they're almost the same. Okay, so we're going to focus on a sales page here, or a landing page. So let's say we are doing a beauty product, we're doing a sales page for a particular beauty product. Okay, so I'm gonna name this lipstick brand. Okay, so let's say Barbie lips. All right, so let's say Barbie lips. Barbie lips. Okay, so Barbie lips is the name I've given to this sales page. Okay, so now that we've named it that's a beauty brand, we need to get a picture, a background picture that goes with the name. Okay, so we have to go and scroll on photos. So when you scroll on photos, you click on photos, you'll be able to get pictures. Okay, so let's say I'm getting picture for lipstick brand, lipstick brand. Let's see how that goes. Okay, yeah, so you can see there's so many pictures here for beauty brands, and if you are using the free version you might not have access to these pictures. Okay, so just take note of that. So you might not have access to all of these pictures. Some of them might need you to pay before you can access them. Okay, so I'll be picking one of them to work with. So I'll use this as my um, background. Okay, so I'll set this as my background for this lipstick brand. Okay, so now that we have this background, we can choose to make it a little bit transparent so that we can work with it, or you can blur it a little bit. Okay, like this is okay. So like I named it before, Barbie lips. So we're gonna go on to text, click on text, and we're going to choose a design type of text to. Okay, so okay, so now that's it. So I'm going to use Barbie lips. Let's see if that goes. All right, okay, all right, the lips. Okay, then okay, that's for lips. I need to edit Barbie. So I've ungrouped it so we can. All right, Barbie. Okay, Barbie lips. Good. So now we've done this. You can see that's the first page of our website or our landing page. So when you click on my link, okay, you get this. This is the first thing you see when you click on my link. All right. So now that we've done that, next thing to do is to go to our second page. All right. So on the second page, we need to um, write a few things about our pay, our sales for our product. Okay, so for example we're marketing a particular product. Okay, so marketing a particular product, we're marketing, we're doing sales for okay a particular product, and maybe this the product. Okay, or let me use this photograph before it's full. All right, so I'm going to use it as the background. Okay, so this background, I'm going to come here and crop it. Alright, so now that we've made that the background, okay, so it's like it's coming together, right? Okay, so we can choose to use text. Okay, we can choose to use regular text. I've used AI, so AI has told me, has given me something to write. Okay, so that's it. So lipstick is a versatile and fun makeup. So it's just something that aligns with the product. Okay, so that's it right there. Now I've written something. So we're going to go on to page 3. Okay, so page 3 of our sales page or landing page or website should be something relating to lipstick as well. So maybe we want to use something as the background picture. Then we can write about the product. All right, we can do something on the product that I want to sell. So you can write something here concerning your product. So let me give you an example. All right, I'm going to use a regular text here. I'm going to write. Okay, let me use this. Then I can do some styling by switching it this way. Okay, okay. Now that I've switched it that way, all right. Uh, you can see this is simply how to design from scratch. All right, so you do everything you would do on your regular landing page right here. So we're going to go on to publish our website. So in order for us to publish it, you just have to click here. Okay, but you need to do a preview so you see what you're publishing. So you click on preview, it gives you like a preview of your entire website. Okay, so let's preview our website that we've created. Okay, can you see? So this is the first page of our website that we've created, and this is the second page with this our website. And can you see this is a regular website? All right, so if you've created anything, you just keep seeing it as you go along the way. So that's simply how to create your website, create and design your website anyhow you want it. So you can go on to add stickers, glitters, anything that you think you want to add in your website. Go to elements and make use of elements. Okay, so you can go to elements and just add something to your website. So let me give you an example of what I mean. So let me put like a butterfly. Okay, all right, so we have this butterfly, it's pink, so I can add this here. For example, I want this to be on my website, so maybe I can make it a little bit smaller so it can be on this side. All right, so that's it. Or I can choose to get it in graphics and yeah, get something more like this. Okay, and I want it to appear like this in my website. It's going to appear exactly how I want it to appear. So you can go on to preview and you see the butterfly, uh, you know, swinging its feathers just like that. So you can see this is page 2 and page 3, and that's the butterfly. So it helps you to create an attractive sales page that will wow your customers. Okay, so you can see that's the moving butterfly, and this is the one I use for just designs. So it's really up to you to add the kind of elements that you wish to add in your designs. Okay, so it's that easy. So let me add something here. For example, you add this here. Okay, and we make it white so it comes out well. Or you make it light pink. Great. So it's really up to you to add whichever effects you want to add to your website to wow your customers and attract them. And these are little things that will help to implement sales in your business, that will help to keep your customers glued to you. All right. Somebody can say, oh, I just love how she does her things. I love how her things are so pretty and feminine. That's why I prefer doing business with them. All right. So that can be an excuse for somebody to stick with you in business. So let's go on to publish our website. So if you want to publish, you click on publish website. So when you click on publish website, you're going to get this by the side here. Now you see publish to the web. Read this. Please be mindful. This will be made public for anyone on the internet to see. Okay, so now you've seen this is how it's gonna appear. Okay, so if the person is using phone or tablet, it's gonna appear like this. So you want to resize on mobile, you're gonna tick this so it can resize on mobile phones. All right, navigation. So now let's click here with navigation, without navigation. Now let's click with without navigation. It means that it just goes plainly like that. Then with navigation, let's see how that goes. So you have empty page titles, update page titles for them to appear on navigation. Now, what do they mean by empty page titles? If you want them to appear, like when you have click on the website and you start seeing things like this at the top of the website, it means it's the title of the pages. All right, so if you want it to be navigated if you want your navigation to work, there has to be something that somebody will click. So if you are clicking, for example, now let's go back, let me show you what this means. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back to it. So um if you want to add titles to your page, you just have to click on here, add notes. Then you come here and add page title. Okay, so let's see. Here is this is the front page. So maybe we'll say Barbie lips. All right. So let's say all right. Let's say catalog. Let's say this first page is catalog. Okay. All right. Lipstick butterfly. Now let's go back to um, publishing. All right. So when you want to publish this, okay, let's see what happens. Now with navigation, it's ready. Okay, so we're publishing it with navigation. Let's see how that goes. So for this, if you want to view it large, you can click here to make it big, and you view it how you want it to be. Okay, so you can see this is what I mean by navigation. So this is catalog, this is lipstick colors, so this is butterfly. All right, so now it has navigation. So if you want to view without navigation, or you want to view as mobile, or you click here and there you can see you're viewing it like as mobile. So as mobile, you just have to you just have the your clients have to click on this three dash here to view all three pages, okay, in your design. Okay, so it's that simple. So everything just, you can see everything is showing in mobile form. Okay, so it's simply that easy. So let's do without navigation. Let's see how that appears. So if it's without navigation, there's nothing. All they have to do is just scroll through. All right, same thing on mobile. You just scroll through and they will see everything. So there's nothing to click on. There's no three dash to click on because there's no navigation. Now, one more thing before we conclude all of this, you need to know how to put clickable buttons in your designs. Okay, so if you've created a design and you want to add buttons that are clickable, buttons that your clients can click on and be navigated to somewhere. All right, so any of the pages can have buttons. So I want to use this page too that says catalog. So when somebody comes here and they want to click on catalog, for example, here is how to add a button to your website. So most times you might want them to go from your website to your WhatsApp page, or you want them to go from your website to click and fill a form, or you want them to just you just want to navigate, you want them to click on your website and see like a digital catalog or something. This is what you should do. All right, so you're going to come on elements and you're going to type on buttons. Okay, website buttons. Good. Now we have website buttons here. We have different colors of website buttons, so it all depends on which one you want to use. So I'm going to choose this white because it goes with my design on this page right now. Okay, so that's it. And in order for me to add my link to make this button clickable, I need to add a link. Okay, so let's say for example, I'm going to get this link. This is a long link. Let me copy this link and come back to my design. Okay, so now I've copied that link, I've highlighted my button. So you're going to click on these three signs dots here, click on the three dots there, and you click on link. Okay, can you see link? Click on link, and they're telling you you can add any link. So I'm going to come here and paste. Okay, click on and paste it, then click on done, and that's my link. Okay, done. Link added. Can you see the link added? So done. So now that my link has been added, uh my link has been added, it's there already. So what I need to do now, when I highlight, you can see my link is showing. So what I need to do now is to add a label to the button. Okay, so in order to add the label, you still need to use um, text. Okay, so I'm going to add a label to my button. So maybe I say buy. Okay, let me use the say uh, buy or purchase or all right. Okay, let me use this. Let's say buy. Okay, or make sure the color aligns. I'm using okay, good. So I'm going to write this buy in capital letters, and I'll be using a font, corporate font. Okay, let me use a corporate font. So I'll use this. So I'll enlarge that. Right. You can use the word buy. Okay, or purchase. For example, we're using this word purchase. Might not be it might not be the right word to use, but it depends on what your website is about or what your sales page is about. Okay, so when people come to your page and click it, and that's it, it just works. So we're going to go on to preview again. So I'm going to show you how this works this time. So on preview, okay, you're just going to scroll up and see our our button is here, and it's very very clickable. So when you click on it, it takes us straight to our, you can see that's the link I put there. Okay, I put the link of this um, thumbnail, and you can see it has brought me here. So that's simply how to make it work for you. Okay, so you can go on, just publish your website. You can see then you have a free domain. Okay, to publish free domain, so you don't need to, you publish to a Canva domain, which is free. All right, you are publishing to a Canva domain, it's free. But if you want to purchase a new domain, buy a new domain through Canva. Okay, so if you are doing a proper website, you can go on to buy a new domain through Canva, and your website will be attached to that domain. Then if you want to use an existing domain, okay, you click here, all right, and just go and click on continue, and you are good to go. Okay, so I hope you gained value from today's video. I hope you learned something. So go out there and share this video with your friends that might also want to learn a thing or two that I've shared here today. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.